Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering parts and safety items for a Volvo V60 cabin filter change. You need a 10 mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a new cabin filter sized 200x 200x 30 mm. Also have nitrile gloves and a shop towel. Park car, switch off engine, set parking brake, and wait 5 minutes for systems to shut down. Open the glove box and remove loose contents. Estimated time is 15 minutes for an experienced dyer, slightly longer for beginners. To reach the cabin filter, first open the glove box and detach the dampener arm on the right side using a flathead screwdriver. Support the glove box, then compress the sides inward to clear the stops so it lowers fully. Locate and remove two 10 mm bolts that secure the filter housing cover. Pull the cover off gently. Turn the old filter out carefully to avoid spilling debris into the blower area and inspect the intake for leaves or large dust piles. Before installing, compare the new filter to the old one and confirm orientation. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing down toward the blower housing, ensuring it seats flat and the seals align. Clean the housing with a vacuum and a damp cloth, remove any trapped debris, then install the cover and tighten two 10 mm bolts hands snug plus a quarter turn. Reattach the glove box dampener, return the glove box to its original position, close it, and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.